Welcome back. What's up, everybody? If you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you're not, welcome back. Yes, my name is Kels, and welcome to my channel. What are we doing here? Luxury, fashion, lifestyle. We are doing it all, and overall joy, because joy is life, honey. Where's my water? I usually have some water. At least I had water here, and it's gone. That's okay. Joy is life, baby, and we are living it. So settle in. I have something hopefully quick and dirty for you today. My last two videos, oh my God, they're so long. I had to cut the videos in half. And this one is not going to be like that. This one's going to be short, okay? Scout's honor. I was not a scout, so maybe that means nothing, but it's okay. Okay, first thing, thank you for being here. If you like what you see, if you want to see more luxury, lifestyle, travel, fashion, all of that, hit subscribe down below. Make sure you turn on the notification bell so you can be alerted when I update, and share with your friends because she is trying to do something here. We're trying to do a thing and I need your help. And also let me know what you think about what I have for this unboxing. We're doing an unboxing today, and it is Saint Laurent. So let me know what you think of what I got down below. Just don't be mean, okay? Because I don't have time for meanness, and I work really hard for my coins, and I don't need anyone sullying my joy, okay? All right, perfect. So when I was in Chicago, I went to the premium outlet. There's a Saint Laurent there. I was like, this is new. Saint Laurent hasn't been here this entire time. They're adding more stores. They're adding even more. So when I go back, there are going to be even more stores. So I'm super excited. So I stopped in Saint Laurent because there's a bag I was eyeing. I was like, I don't know if I like it. I don't know if I like it. And then I went in and I was like, I think I like it because I'm here for color. So let's just get into it. Let's make it quick. They put it in this huge box. The bag is not, it's a bag. It's not this big. But I told her I wanted a box, and she was so sweet. She's like, all right, girl, I got you. Here's a box. The bag is super small, so bless her for giving me the box. I really wanted it, though. So, don't want to give it away. So here it is in the dust bag. Are we ready? Oh, it's backwards. Are we ready? And a 5, 6, 7, 8, instant touch, kickball change. Here we go, round the world. Look at her. Look at her. Oh my God. It's so crazy because I feel like I looked at this one, or I looked at the smaller version. I didn't really love it, but this one I do love. So this is the Lulu medium bag. They have a toy Lulu and small. This is the small. The toy one doesn't have this. And so is this the small, or is this? Ciao. I ain't even got the receipt anywhere around here. What does it say? It's not, I think it's a medium. It's not, no, I think it's a small. This is not giving me any help. Anyways, this is of absolutely no help whatsoever. It says it, but it's like, this is not making, I just know it says Lulu and cheddar. Cheddar's the color that's works. I thought the color was called sunflower or something, but I don't even care. It's very beautiful. The leather is nice. I'm like looking at it again because I haven't seen it since I bought it. The leather is soft. And you got the handles. Okay, so these handles are very pretty. Look at the handles. They say, nope, you're not gonna focus. That's what we're doing. Oh, there we go. Come on, focus. They say YSL basically, or Yves Saint Laurent. Okay, whatever. Saint Laurent Paris is what they both say. So you can wear it like this. You can wear it like this. I'm gonna find a way to like wear it like this as a top handle because I love a top handle bag. So that's how I'm gonna figure out how to wear it. It's like a bronzish gold. Their gold is like more of like a bronze. It has a snap closure. Still has like a little plastic on there. It says Saint Laurent Paris right here. Inside is it says Saint Laurent Paris right there as well. What else we got? Inside is black, as you can see. There is a zipper pocket in the middle, a pouch in the front, and then in the back, it's like a little spot for like maybe cash or something. And I think this is the authenticity card. Yep. Yep, a little zipper. I'm just ready to wear her. I'm just ready to wear her. Now this leather feels very like she gonna scratch, but I'm gonna wear the bag because I bought her. So when I bought my Chanel bag, my jumbo flap, it literally sat on my shelf because I was too afraid to use it, because that bag was the most expensive bag I've ever bought in my entire life. And I was too afraid to use it. And then I was like, girl, you already bought it. It's already paid for, girl. You bought it. It's yours. Wear it. Otherwise, that's money literally sitting on the shelf. And I get that people buy bags and artwork and that's their art and they're waiting for it to appreciate in value and like all that stuff. But I'm like, but wear it, just take care of it. So that's what I did. And that's what I'm gonna do with all my stuff. So this bag was normally $2,300. So I think this is a small. And I got it for $1,830. I guess this is the most expensive thing that I did buy, but it's a bag that I'm gonna wear all the time. And if you watch my other video, I have them sitting right here. If you watch my other video, you know I got a pair of shoes I've been wanting for a while. They're right here. And they're the Jordans. And I'm just like, yes, together. This looks a little darker in the camera, which is weird. And it's like, not even that dark. It's like by a hair. But they match for you. I mean, if they're this, you know, one's down here, one's up here, you're not gonna be like, oh, this one is like 1 millimeter darker than this. It's gonna be a look. It's gonna be like she is out here in her Jordans and her YSL, because that's how she do. She's comfortable and cute. And I can wear crossbody. It's sit on my hip. See, like that's my butt and that's my hip. And it's sitting on my hips. I can be like, yeah, what's up? I'm hands free. Yeah, that's cute. Okay. Maybe I want it to be a long strap on this side. Okay, now it's a long strap. Because I'm just here, you know, I'm just here. Maybe it's like a true handbag, like, or true shoulder bag, where it's like, okay, under the armpit, we're going, we're on the move, we're working, we don't have time for shenanigans. Let's go. I would not wear it like this because I feel, that just feels weird. And then I'm gonna make it into a top handle. So, yeah, guys, the outlet, I hope to go back to Chicago in like a couple months or so. And I want to visit the outlet again. I'm not going to get another YSL bag because I already have my YSL bag. I love it. Boom, boom. Unless I see a green, then we'll see. But I don't think they're going to have that. This is the only yellow bag they have. They didn't have a lot of colors. They have like an orange bag, but most were like brown, black, tan, red. And I just don't need another black bag. I have a couple black ones that I love. I have some brown ones that I love. I have a red one that I really like. The red one they had, I didn't like. And I want an orange one, but I just didn't fall in love with it. This bag I fell in love with. Like I was just like, I tried it on like 20 times. So I'm gonna get this one. But I do want to go back because they're supposed to have a Bottega opening. They're supposed to have something else or somebody else there. I don't know who, but I just want to go and peruse and see what I can find, and maybe Coach will get their green bag. I doubt it's gonna be at the outlet because it sold out before it can really even be in stores. I think it sold out by the time I saw it and I was like, oh, I like that bag. I'm gonna get it. It was already gone. I was late to the party. The party has started and it was over and I showed up 2 hours later. It's how that happens. So, thank you so much for watching this video. If I entertained you, if you laughed, if you went, ooh, ah, anything like that, if you liked, thank you. Just hit like down there so I know for sure that you really did like it. Hit subscribe because I have more coming for you. We have more trips planned. We have more, some actually different kind of videos, not just hauls, but some like different type of videos that I want to try out and see how that works. And I'm going to do another color blocking video like I did for spring, just some other different sets. Like this actually could work because it is a color block. But yeah, just keep an eye out for that. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you on the next one. All right, bye guys.